Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a bonus, a general operation and maintenance video covering the LANCEL semi-automatic petrol lighter. I got a question from a buyer named Alex on eBay who purchased the engine turned one that I had that I did the video on and had listed. He said, I have recently purchased the above listed item. I have never owned a lighter as old as this one. Can you offer any guidance on how to operate it? Specifically, which brand of fuel to use, how to fill it, and how to change the flint. I appreciate your time and attention. Thank you. I appreciate the message, Alex, and this was a very nice message, and we went back and forth a little bit, and I told him that I would go ahead and post a video as soon as I could. For one, fuel really just depends on your own personal preference. I don't really think there's much difference between Roncinol, Zippo fuel, whatever liquid petrol fuel you have available to you. I have only used those two, so I can't really say for any others, but I'd just say start there, and if you see that one's not working for you, maybe then switch it up. But I think you're probably going to have good results whatever it is that you use. As far as the flint, same thing. You really Zippo flints are fine. The Ronson flints, if they have those at your local Walmart or department store, wherever it is, smoke shop, wherever it is that you buy these kind of things, then those flints should be fine too. You can also find flints available, older, different diameter flints, different length flints available in eBay and other places. And you know, if it see that it's not working, or you think that it could be more efficient, then then you might look into that. But I think you're going to find that with yours, the Zippo, whatever flint you have commercially available to you, will work just fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and show real quick, as far as the replacing the flint. You want to try to, hopefully you don't grind up against that stop on that spring too often once you wear it out before you figure it out. But you know, that's one of those things. So that's all you're going to do there. As long as you use that lighter, I think as long as you strike it once a month or once a year, or once every 5 years, you're probably good. Keeping a flint in it, maybe even longer than that, as long as it does get struck and moves here and there and is not just exposed to moisture and sedentary. So your flint goes in there, then your flint spring screw right back in behind it. Not much to that. And then as far as actually filling the lighter with fuel, your lighter, Alex, has a spare flint compartment here in the fill screw, so you can keep an extra flint there in that compartment. Should have had one in it when you received it. And I'm not going to fill this one all the way, but you just fill it. You just sit there and watch it soak. Now, if you get too much in there, which I do nearly every time I fill a lighter, then just turn it upside down and shake it out. And get over a tile or someplace that it's not going to hurt for that fuel to hit something. You don't want to do it on some sensitive paint or up against a wall that's painted, I don't think. But shake it out in the sink, even shake it out somewhere where it's not going to hurt. And then your fill screw. You will learn sort of what to expect as far as fuel efficiency. It's a closed tank lighter, so I would think it would get fairly good. I would think you could probably expect at least a week or two. And I mean, for a petrol lighter, that's really a good run, a week or two. But it's a relatively small tank. But with it being a closed tank, I don't know, you might get a month. So all the normal stuff. Subscribe if you like these kind of videos. Like this video. Hit the share button. Leave any comments or questions below. Social media, Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com. We would appreciate it if you would like and follow us across all those platforms. Until next time.